In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a moving and glowing background animation. I'll show you how I have created this PNG image file with Krita. Let's create a new image, and fill the background with black. Select white color, brush, and click the top left corner of the canvas like this. Drag while holding Shift to draw a straight line. Select black, and erase parts of the lines like this. This is how the background image was created. Let's save it as PNG, and go to Blender. I'll briefly explain how this scene was created. This red ball is a UV sphere, and it's using an emission shader under Eevee renderer with the bloom setting activated. The plane's nodes look like this. Basically, the image was connected to the base color and the alpha. The mapping node's X location is being animated to create an illusion of the moving background. The animation is 20 frames long, and frame 1's X value is 0. The frame 20's X value is 50. The end frame is set to 20, in order to loop the animation. This is the final result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.